Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. How are you all? I think all are well by the grace of Allah Almighty. I am also well. I think you are all well at home. Today I MD Nurul Alam, a teacher of Milestone School and College, English Medium Senior Section. I am going to take a online class for your better understanding. Today's topics uses of some preposition. Uses of some preposition. My dear viewers, after learning this lesson, we will able to learn what is preposition. Second on, kinds of preposition and uses of some prepositions. My dear student, let's go. We will introduce our class by showing a chart paper. Okay, see. First, we want to know what is preposition. Pre and position, two words. Pre it means before and position it means situation. What is the definition of preposition? A word placed before a noun or a noun equivalent to show the relation with the noun or noun equivalent is called preposition. My dear viewers, for your better understanding, I am telling again. A word placed before a noun or a noun equivalent to show the relation with the noun or noun equivalent is called preposition. For your better understanding, my dear viewers, I have shown here two examples. See first one. The book is on the table. Here on use on preposition. Second one, we cannot live without water. Here without another preposition. After learning definition, we come to the point. What is the preposition and few examples. My dear viewers, let's go. Here kinds of preposition. Now I am coming to discuss about kinds of preposition. You see on the chart paper here I have shown here different kinds of preposition. Here we can see there are 6 kinds of preposition. Number 1, simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, phrase preposition, participle preposition and disguised preposition. My dear viewers, I am giving here example for every preposition. See and follow. First on simple preposition. Simple preposition, it will use only one or simple or single preposition. There will be no double. First on see, at, on, for, in, etc. Again I am telling simple preposition at, on, by, for, in, etc. See here one of the example also. He is in his room now. Here in use preposition but it is simple preposition. My dear viewers, go second number preposition. Here double preposition. Here double preposition. Double preposition consists of two simple preposition. At a time we get two simple preposition like that. Into, in plus to, into, like that. Within, with plus in, within, without, with plus out, without. See one of the example here also. We cannot live without water. Here without use as double preposition. My dear viewers, let's go third number preposition. Here see compound preposition. Compound preposition. Here we will get adding before noun, adjective or adverb of simple preposition. Adding before noun, adjective or adverb before simple preposition, the compound preposition is consisted of. See, across, on plus cross, across, about, on plus by plus out, about, behind, by plus hind, behind, beside, b plus side, beside. My dear viewer, see here all of the examples I have given. He sat beside me. He sat beside me. Here beside one of the compound preposition. My dear viewers, fourth number preposition. Here phrase preposition. See, on account of, by dint of, in front of, instead of, instead of, instead of. Now, my dear viewers, see an example of there is a big tree. There is a big tree in front of our school. Here, in front of, it is one of the that means one of the phrase preposition. My dear viewers, 5 number preposition, participle preposition. Participle preposition, here we will get present form of the verb, or it is called present participle, ing with the verb. After that, using as preposition, see, considering, judging, regarding, respecting, etc. will get many. Now see one of the example. Considering his age, he was pardoned. Here, my dear viewers, considering, here used participle preposition. And last number preposition, disguised preposition. Disguised preposition. See, on, in, off. On, in, off. Use in a sentence with disguised a or o. Like that. See, it is 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. Here o used equal to off. Second sentence, he went hunting. He went hunting. Here a used equal to on. Then he comes here twice a week. Here a used in, in. My dear viewers, after learning the kinds of preposition, we have able to learn what types of preposition and use in different sentences. Now, I am going to discuss some uses of preposition. My dear viewers, now I want to show you one of the chart. After observing this chart, you will be able to learn uses of preposition. It is very important. If you want to know the uses of preposition, you have to learn few rules and resolution first. See, first up, uses of some preposition. Uses of some preposition. My dear viewers, before introduce uses of some preposition, I am to tell you prepositions are a kind of topics. we have to practice more and more, otherwise we can give the answer properly. In this way, I want to show few uses in different sentences. Follow some. You see, first I have given at, in, two preposition. These two preposition we will use some important phrases. See first, at and in, big place or time. Big place or time we use at. See first, and the small place or small time. Small place or small time we use at. See, again I am telling, the big place or big time will use in, and small place or small time we use here at. Let's go. I have given here two examples. See, he lives at Uttara in Dhaka. Again, he lives at Uttara in Dhaka. Comparatively, Dhaka is larger than Uttara. That's why before Uttara we used here at, and before Dhaka we used here in. Next sentence, she went there at 7 o'clock in evening. Here 7 o'clock in evening. Here before is small, that means 7, it is smaller than evening. That's why we use here at, and before evening we use here in. My dear student, for your better understanding, I have shown you more example. See again another uses of preposition in, into. In, into. Here two example I have shown you. In, someone is staying inside of any places, staying or keeping inside. In this way we use in. And another one we use going inside. Going inside or continue, or he or she is going inside. In this time we use in. See, here also two example. The students are in their classroom. That means here in use students they are in their classroom. That's why we used here in. Second one, water changes into vapors. Water changes into vapor. Here into, that means it is changing. It is changing. That's why two places we use in and into. My dear students, now I am coming another uses of preposition here on, in, at. See again, on, in, at. Before date, day. Date or day we use on. Month or year, we use in. And at we use fixed time. See one of the example. I shall meet you at 7 o'clock on Saturday, on Sunday in January. Again, see, I shall meet you at 7 o'clock on Sunday in January. See, my dear student, here at the small time or fixed time, at here day, on, and here month we put on here in. That's why on, in, at, where we use, I think it is clear to you. My dear student, for your better understanding, I am to tell you, you should practice these types of preposition more and more so that you can learn more. See again, since, for, another two preposition. Since, for, another two preposition. Since and for we use where, I think you know earlier. After that I am telling. That means we use since, point of time, or not fixed time, point of time. Since we use point of time, and for we used period of time. See, here I have giving two example. It has been raining. It has been raining since morning. That means here use since. And another part, he has been playing. He has been playing for 2 hours. Here fixed time, my dear student. I think 1 to 4 it is clear to you. Now for your better understanding, I want to show more. Hello viewers, I think you will enjoy my class by practicing more. After learning these topics, we will able to learn more preposition by practicing from our book. See, another on beside, besides. Two preposition, same pronunciation, only difference here is, here without s. Beside and besides. Where we use this? See, one of the first example, he said beside me. That means if anyone keep beside of you, beside anyone, at the time we use beside. On the other hand, besides. That means besides this house, he has 2 other houses. That means except this house, he has another 2 houses. That means in this way use besides. And another part we use beside. Hello viewers, let's go another one. 2 important preposition. I think for your better understanding you follow it. Between and among. 2 preposition. Between and among. See, if we get only two things or 2 persons at the time, we use between. Like that, divide the mangoes between 2 boys. Not only that, divide the pens between 2 boys, 2 students. In this way, we use between. And more than 2, 3, 4, 5, up to that means continue. In this way we use among. Like that, divide the toys among the girls. Divide the toys among the girls. Here many girls. Here many girls. That's why you use here among. And here only 2 boys. We use here among. I think it is also clear to you, my dear viewers. I am sharing another important things. Prepositions are the topics. We have to practice more. If you practice more, you will learn more. Let's go another one. On and over. My dear viewers, on and overs, 2 preposition. We use on and over. See, if we keep anything or anything or like that, any instrument like that, see here the book is on the table. That means the book is on the table, it keeping on the table. But over, also see the fan is over our head, but without touching anything, we keep it over. In this way we can give use of example like that, the pen is on the table, or the another one, the sky is over our head. In this way we can use on and over. My dear viewers, for your better understanding, I am giving another example or another uses of preposition, by and with. 2 preposition. Here see first example, the tiger was killed by the hunter with a gun. Here see 2 preposition and theme. How will use? The tiger was killed by the hunter with a gun. Here by used before the person and with use before the thing. That means when a person what he will do before that we use by, and with whom what he will do before that we will use here with. That means by used before the hunter and with used before a guard. It proved that the tiger was killed by the hunter. That means the hunter killed the tiger with a gun. My dear viewers, let's go another uses of preposition here. Okay, my dear student, I think you are getting more information and learning these topics properly. Here also another information: off and off. To see off, of, off, o, off. I think you know these two things properly. And say he comes of a respectable family. He comes of a respectable family. Here use of. And to keep off something or to stop something in this way we use o, off. See, shows the fan off. My dear viewers, shows the fan off. I think these two things are also clear. Not only that, put off the shoes of the fan, we use like that, or put off your shoes like that. My dear viewers, today I here show you 10 uses of preposition. Now last number, under and below. Here see under and below. See, uses the cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. That means the cat is under the table. Use here under. The post is below my dignity. The post is below my dignity. Here also uses below. My dear student and my dear viewers, see the preposition from 1 to 10 uses, and from the very beginning I showed you the definition of preposition, kinds of preposition and uses of preposition. My dear student, you have to learn it properly, and today I am giving some homework. It will only learn. You see your book, Navadut book, from your exercise you practice more. You practice more and you write it in your CW copy after practicing it. Okay, no more today. Allah Hafiz. Pray for me, I also pray for you.